6 HD cameras, 60 FPS sync. Dozens of cameras for 4 DGs. Too expensive. One photo is all it takes for interactive 3D Gs. Not live just yet, haha. R&D says the demo drops by the end of April. But, high-fidelity 3D GS from one photo is already good to go. This is a golden monkey model. Let's check out the details. This is a gorilla model. We've open-sourced this tool in Unity. You can find our GitHub address on our official website. This time, we open-sourced 3 plugins at once. This is a voice-driven lip-sync plugin. It can also be used directly in Unity. This plugin adds human skins to your lobsters or skills. Simply upload a photo, and you can get your lobster or skill a skin you like.
Okay, I'll put together a full snake game script for you. Here
好
is a
的，收
complete
到。
C number.
我来帮你调查这个领域的市场情况，让我继续搜索 3D 相机市场和产。
Look, aren't we R&D engineers incredibly hardworking? If these plugins can help you, that would be great. If you encounter any problems during use, feel free to leave me a message, and I will follow up promptly. We are still updating and upgrading. Thank you for your encouragement and support. All our products are free. If you have any better ideas or suggestions, leave a message anytime.